Nur
Hidayah
Hiyidah
binta
binta
Kamaludin.
Hi, my name is Hiyidah. What I do for a living, I'm in the shipping industry. So I assist personnel, seafarers to go on board the ship, make sure the vessel goes to where it's supposed to go. My interior designer is Home Heart. What I did was I just put my particulars to Renopedia website, and then after that there was so many people that called me. Somehow that day, I pick up the call of Vince. So then that's where we got hooked up. I like the color pink, so I was thinking what color pink I should use, because if shocking pink is too much, if it's light pink is too light. So I went with dusty pink. They have the color that I wanted, so I go for it. Of course, my kitchen, because that's where I did the reno. A proper place for me to put my plates and my pots and my spices and my appliances. There's always a place for everything. I told Vince I want it to be clean and nice. I don't want it to be cluttered. I don't like the top cabinets because I don't use them. For example, the dish rack. So he managed to design it in such a way that I like it. He even do a spice rack for me. Vince itself is very prompt. The transparency is there lah. Whatever I ask him about certain updates, he will keep me updated. What he did was, once work is completed, he will take the video and then he will show me. Yes, definitely. It's so easy. You just go to their website, you put in your particulars and what you would prefer. People will start coming to you. There's no need for you to source for ID. So I think that's the best setup ever. Thank you, Renopedia. Guys, remember to check out their socials for more home renovation tips and inspirations. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.